Piggy banks to pixels. The History of Money, written by Arthur Kwame. Long ago, in prehistoric times, once upon a time, long ago, people didn't have money like we do today. They traded things they had for things they needed. Let's learn about the fascinating history of money. Around 600 BCE, in ancient civilizations. In ancient times, people realized that carrying goods for trades was difficult, so they began making coins. These shiny, round pieces of metal were easier to carry and become first form of money. Around ninth century CE in China, paper money emerges. As societies grew, carrying coins became cumbersome. To solve this, people started using paper money. These pieces of paper represented the value of the coins they held in banks. Now money became lighter and more convenient. Renaissance period, starting from the 14th century. Banks became important places to keep money safe. They provided security and allowed people to deposit and withdraw their money whenever they needed it. Banks also began to issue paper money called banknotes. Age of expiration, roughly 15th to the 17th centuries. People started trading with other countries, discovering new lands and exotic goods. This led to the need for a universal currency that could be used worldwide. Enter gold and silver. Late 19th century to early 20th century. The gold standard. Gold and silver were considered valuable and precious. Many countries adopted the gold standard, which meant that their money was backed by gold. People could exchange their paper money for gold whenever they wished. Modern era starting from the mid 20th century. The rise of banks. Banks evolved with time, offering more services like loans, credit cards, and online banking. Money became even more accessible, and people could manage their finances from the comfort of their homes. Late 20th century to the present day. Introducing electronic payments. Technology brought exciting changes to money. People could now pay for things using cards or even their smartphones. With just a tap, money would transfer from their account to the merchant's account. Early 2000s and ongoing. Enter the digital age. The digital age arrived, and with it came virtual currencies like Bitcoin. These digital currencies use technology called blockchain and allow people to make secure and controlled transactions. Present day global currencies, money around the world. Different countries have their own currencies. each with unique designs and symbols, from dollar signs to euros, yen to pesos. Money reflects the identity and culture of a nation. Across various times and periods and professions, money's many faces. Money is not only used for buying things, but also for paying people for their work. People earn money by doing different jobs and professions. It helps them meet their needs and contribute to society. Ongoing personal financial management. Money and you. Money is a powerful tool, and we can use it wisely. We can save money for things we want, share it with others in need, and donate to causes we care about. Money can make a positive difference in the world. Money and future advancements. Future of money. As technology advances, the future of money looks exciting. We may see more digital currencies, smart cards, and even new forms of payment we can't even imagine. The possibilities are endless. The end or a new beginning. The story of money continues to unfold. Remember, money is just a tool, and its true value lies in how we use it to make our lives and the world a better place. So, what will you do with your money? The history of money. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the history of money. Remember, money has a fascinating past and an exciting future. The end of one story is just the beginning of another. Dream big and make a difference in the world. The end.